I don't know, do you have to stop now?
Fetches. Go get it! I'll bring it right back. Come on, KJ!
I wouldn't do that. After 2 weeks of testimony,
good boy! Good boy! Drop it! Good boy! Are you ready? Are you ready? Go get it!
We met with 8 jurors. They all found the trial difficult to sit through.
Bring it back! Bring it back! Here he comes! Good boy! Drop! Drop! Good boy! Are you getting tired?
From the very first vote, it was clear that reaching a verdict would not be easy.
He's getting a little tired. I think he's got a few more in him. Ready? Go get it! Tighten. Bring it back! Good boy. Good boy. Drop it. Good boy. You were getting tired, huh?
What was the cause of death? And if it was succinylcholine,
okay, you ready?
Did it get into her body? I think that
go get it!
How did this succinylcholine get in her? At least one.
This is how we spend our Friday nights. You think this is exciting? Look at that.
No!
Not so much. Now you can see why I'm playing with the cats. It's a little more exciting. Here. Good boy, drop it. Good boy. He's getting really tired. Ooh. I'll give it to you. Can let the other ones play too, or no? Okay. And go! All of a sudden you'll see a little dot coming this way. He's not running like he used to, but he's now walking back to me. Good boy. Drop it. Drop it. Do you got any more left? Okay, how about I'll throw it up by Rebecca. KJ.